What we're doing, guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys, so stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, we're outside doing some jerk chicken, guys. Outside. This one is outside today, guys. Nothing inside. So what we got here, guys, we got some chicken quarts. We're gonna be doing some jerk chicken, and I got a good friend of mine from Jamaica that sent me up some dry jerk seasoning. You know, of course, I got some salt, some all-purpose, a little bit of browning. Yep, that's alright. So we're gonna go ahead and add our dry seasoning. I'm gonna add like 2 to 3 spoons of this. This is potent stuff, guys. Straight from the islands. Alright. I'm gonna add a tip of brown into this. Just a little bit, you don't want a lot. That's it, guys, we're outside doing this one, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise, industrial noise, just bear with me. The salt. Don't go too crazy because the all-purpose got salt also. All-purpose. Alright then, guys, you're gonna give this a good rub. Alright, guys, so what you normally do, you will let this sit in this for like a day. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not even doing that. I'm gonna go on the grill right. I'm gonna give it an hour though. I'm gonna give it at least an hour in the fridge. Let it sit for at least an hour in the marinade, let it soak in. Then I'll be back. Alright, so in an hour, chicken been sitting in the marinade. Now it's time to hit the grill. Oh yeah. Real jerk chicken, guys. Alright, so for the first 30 minutes we're gonna cover this. Stop all that smoking, all that flavor. Just keep an eye on that. Don't let it pass 400 degrees. You're golden.